Here's a simple step-by-step guide on how to automatically forward emails in Gmail in 2026. Make sure to like and subscribe for more quick Gmail tutorials. First, open Google Chrome and go to gmail.com. Sign into your Gmail account, then click the Settings gear icon in the top right. Select See All Settings. Now click the Forwarding and POP/IMAP tab at the top. In the Forwarding section, click Add a Forwarding Address. Enter the email address you want to forward messages to and click Next. Google will send a confirmation email to that address. Open it and click the confirmation link. Go back to Gmail settings and refresh the page. Select Forward a copy of incoming mail and choose what happens to the original email. Then click Save Changes at the bottom. You can stop forwarding at any time by returning to this menu and turning it off. And that's it. You've successfully set up automatic email forwarding in Gmail using the 2026 method. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. It really supports the channel.